व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषम् पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिम्. I bow down to Vyasa, the great storehouse of tapas, who is without any trace of blemish and who happens to be the great-grandson of Vasishtha, the grandson of Shakti, the son of Parashara, and the father of Shuka.
Vasishtha Mahasya Marimaganada, Shaktiya Mommaganaada, Parashara Muniya Maganada, Hagu, Shukamuniya Tandeyada, Taponidhiyada, Kalanka Rahitanada, Shri Vyasa Maharshige, Nanu Shirabagi Vandisuttene.